Personality. How can someone predict a person's personality in just a few seconds without even having enough interaction? Is it possible? Sounds interesting, isn't it? Hello friends, in this video we are going to present a project that we undertook during our internship at the Bennett University. We worked on two modules. The first module was personality prediction from Twitter using text, and the second one was gender prediction. Social networking on the web has grown dramatically over the last decade. In January 2005, a survey of social networking websites estimated that among all sites on the web, there were roughly 115 million members. Just over 5 years later, Twitter alone has exceeded 200 million members. Social media is a place where users present themselves to the world, revealing personal details and insights into their lives. We are beginning to understand how some of this information can be utilized to improve the user's experiences with interfaces and with one another. In this project, we are interested in the personality of the users. We have developed a system in the field of affective computing by which a user's personality can be accurately predicted through the publicly available information on their Twitter profiles. Personality can be divided into the big 5 traits. Those are extroversion, agreeableness, conciseness, neuroticism, and openness to experience. Moving towards the technical aspects of our first module, that was personality prediction through Twitter with the help of text. This module uses Python 3, NumPy, Scipy, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras as software and packages. The status uploaded by the user is processed and segmented to identify the personality of a person based on Myers-Briggs type indicator. The MBTI is a kind of psychological classification about human experiences using 4 principal psychological functions: sensation, intuition, feeling, and thinking, which provide a clear and extensive understanding of users' personality. In this project, we made use of the SVM classifier. In this, analysis is done on my personality dataset, which has approximately 8,485 entries, in which each personality corresponds to the text data. An input is given in the form of Twitter handle, and after that pre-processing of data is done and the data is cleaned and unwanted characters are removed from the data. The next step is the feature extraction and the classification of data, in which we use the support vector machine classifier. The precision after training was found to be 74.06%, a recall of 1% was founded, and an F1 score of 85.12% was recorded. The model then predicts the personality based on the MBTI traits. Now Vinita will explain the next module about gender prediction.
Hi guys, this is our second part of our project. This module is about gender prediction at real time. It is based on CNN. You know CNN is Convolutional Neural Network. It is a class of deep learning and it is a feed-forward artificial neural network. It is most commonly used for analyzing visual images. Our project is gender prediction from live video stream. First it will figure out images from a video and extract some features from that, and the model will predict some threshold value. Based on that, the threshold value is compared with some other values like 0.5. If the threshold value is greater than 0.5, the model will predict it is a male, otherwise it is a female. You know, now there are many applications to predict the gender, but the accuracy level is very low, but we obtain 99% of accuracy, so it is fine. So now my team member Meena will explain the application of our project. Thank you.
Social media establishes a bond between the user and the real world through revealing their personal details and their viewpoints in every aspect of life. So now I'm going to tell you about some of the applications of personality prediction: understanding human psychology, human-computer interaction, detection of mental illness, and human resource management are some of the applications of personality prediction. Also, the gender classification from a person's face can play an important role in a variety of issues based on the applications. Surveillance and security system design, criminologies, e-passport, and human-computer interaction, etc. Gender information can be also utilized for the areas like demographic study and the electronic customer relationship. I hope I have given some insights about the applications of personality prediction and gender prediction. Now, Akshay will conclude this.
Now it's the time for conclusion. A system that we trained using the SVM technique is now able to predict the personality of the person under the MBTI traits based on his or her traits with high percentage of accuracy. In future, we would like to extend our work by working on different models and comparing them with each other for better accuracy results. We would also be working on personality prediction through images using convolution neural networks.